So how do you present the iPad in a Teams meeting on your device? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can see that you open up the meetings app, the Teams, and you basically can join whichever one you want. But in order to present something from your iPad, it kind of depends on what it is. But you will most likely use the arrow button below in this like rectangle, so you can click on it and then decide if you want to like share photo or video. For example, if it's a video, like you want to present something which is immediately happening and like in front of you, you can see that this opens up the camera and it asks you, or it tells you that you can click on a start presenting, and that is sharing your camera thing, whatever you are looking at, with everybody in the meeting. So that is one way of how you can present stuff through the iPad. Of course, the photos are there as well, but most likely people are interested in the sharing of the screen, where you can click on a data and everything that's happening on the screen will be shared with everyone in the meeting. So then you of course have to confirm it and start the broadcast. As such, you can see that you get the countdown, but the point is that you can get it to your iPad, to a different app like a presentation tool or wherever you have the stuff that you want to start presenting. And this is what's going to become available and seen by all of the other people in your Teams meeting. So that's very useful if that is the purpose or the goal of your action. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. In case of any further questions, let me know about those below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but for now, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.